What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BG Tech Life, and today got something nice and special for y'all. Got a case video for the S23 Ultra. I'ma crack it off. First case on the channel for the S23 Ultra. I'ma hit y'all hard. We got the Latercase, the Cyber Edition Latercase for the S23 Ultra. I've been liking this on a lot of my devices, guys. As you know, I got a thing for those Airmed cases, so this is where we starting at, guys. Now, as you can see, typical Latercase packaging, Galaxy S23 Ultra, the impossibly thin phone case. We ultra thin, feather light, superior texture, and stronger than steel. This Airmed and this Kevlar cases are real, guys. I really like them. We got a nice, easy unboxing. All you do is open this up like so. Pull this out, 100% DuPont Kevlar, guys. And there we go. We got the Kevlar case for the F23 Ultra from Latercase. Shout out to Lou. And look, guys, you can feel this Kevlar through the screen. You can see that weaving and how nice these cases are. No MagSafe involved, but I just like the texture on these cases and the way they cover up the device. It's not a rugged case. This is more like a lifestyle case if you like these type of things. This is the most protective case, guys. Like I said, if you like these style of cases, this is just something that you like. As you can see, we cut completely out on the top, we cut out on the bottom, and we got to be cut out extra on the bottom to get the S Pen out, guys. As you can see, got that Latercase branding. Now this is just a fire case that's going to protect the back of your device. No raised lip protection, none of that, guys. So when you're rocking a case like this, you are definitely still kind of unprotected. You want to be very careful. And this is what the case gonna look like on the device. Now you can't tell me, guys, this thing don't look sweet with this aluminum, this black rail or this black frame against this Latercase. Just looks so fire, guys. I love the texture and the feel of these cases. I mean, it just make everything feel so expensive. I like when stuff feel expensive, and this the heft of this phone in this case, in this Airmed Kevlar texture, just feels super expensive. I like it. Now if you're looking for the most protection, it's definitely not the case for you. As you can see, we cut out real big on the bottom and cut out for the S Pen, guys. So definitely something that if you're in the Kevlar cases and Airmed cases, you might want to try out. As you can see, we got the natural button press. It's just a big opening for the buttons. This is the Cyber Edition. I'll put a link down in the description. Shout out to everybody that subscribed. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter and Instagram, BG_TechLife. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.